Hello, this is Anshu Sharma here. Welcome to my channel. My love to all of you. Quantum creation, manifesting living, traveling, and healing in freedom. This is our topic today. You have to create your quantum structure of living, healing, and traveling in freedom. Before we come to the actual process of creation, let us understand the dynamics and the process involved, because understanding is important before your creation. Currently, we have a technology that can measure rising frequencies. A hologram is made by 3 different sound frequencies and vibrations. In the middle of a hologram is a black hole. This holds the entire frequency of the universe. It can expand and collapse to infinity. The 3 sound vibrations are vibrating as a single unit in resonance, and these 3 sound vibrations can be anything of your choosing. It is pulsating, the whole structure pulsates. You are not moving, but you are shifting, and that shifting is in a pulse. This pulse goes on and off, on and off. More pulsation, more you shift, and more you vibrate. Now, let us see with an example. Suppose there are 3 frequencies of health, travel, and living in freedom of your choosing. These frequencies hold keys to parallel realities. When you tune in higher dimensions, then you fluctuate and you collapse somewhere between these frequencies, somewhere in higher octave of 4th dimension. Depending upon your tuning, your structure appears in the matrix of reality of the new earth, of your choosing. Suppose this choosing is that you wish to live, heal, and travel in freedom. Body as a unit is of particular vibration and resonance, and body is denser. So with 100% knowing, first you move with your consciousness to this particular structure of your choosing, and later the changes appear in your body and in your physical surroundings. Basically, you are transporting or mutating the old hologram with a new one. You are creating a new timeline, a new reality, and moving into a new fractal momentum of new expression or experience of your choosing. You are creating a new holographic imprint in the hologram itself, and you are shifting your consciousness first into the new matrix, the new earth, into another version of yourself. Then later you embody. Unconsciously, you are already teletransporting all the time. You are teleporting. Currently, this process is instantaneous for people who are energy conscious. Those people who are vibrating at higher frequencies. They have done the work. They are conscious of the energy they are vibrating with at a certain coordinate point in their hologram. Consciously, they vibrate at a higher frequency, and this new frequency exists at a higher coordinate, longitude and latitude point in their space-time and also in their hologram. This changes their resonance and meets the resonance of their higher structure much faster. For instance, if you stay in that vibration of health, traveling and living in freedom for more than 1 minute, then your new blueprint gets formed in quantum field. When you do it for a minimum of 1 minute, after you have finished making your new hologram in the quantum field, you descend, but you do not descend to the original place, but you collapse into a new reality somewhere higher. Continuous focus, intention, and practice eventually transports you into that location. If you persist long enough with persistence and repetition. First, consciousness moves into the new location and then you embody. This process gets faster and faster in higher planes. You also acquire understanding and knowing with faith when you practice. It is very important to know, if you wish to go back to your previous self, then you actually do not go back to the previous self in the location you started, but you move forward into the new coordinate location you just created, and this is another version of yourself, which you can see in the diagram. You have moved from slavery, despair, fear and struggle to a new higher location where you have the access of freedom, joy, healing and freedom in traveling. This you do when you make the hologram with your imagination. You move first in your consciousness. If you wish to live your life in freedom, where all health and healing modalities, along with traveling in freedom through various modes, is available to you, then imagine living in that reality with the emotions of love and excitement for more than a minute at one time. Hold these vibrations, giving them potency of your heart, and then drop it in complete trust and knowing. Do it again and again. You have to create this structure yourself in order to live it. This is how you imprint another version of yourself who is living and enjoying living in freedom, traveling and healing in freedom. By recalling the similar frequency vibrations of these energies in your memory. In order to jump, you need to increase your vibration and also your understanding of creation and projection of higher structures. And you have to do it over and over again through your heart, thoughts and emotions. Living in fifth dimension is heart-based when you do something for humanity. You have to participate in helping others, creating and living their lives in freedom. Right now, if you do not consciously create this structure for yourself, you are likely to descend into lower emotions and into the reality of slavery. Thanks for listening. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Also, visit my YouTube channel Anshu Sharma 9D for more such videos. Till we meet again, take care, love and light. Bye for now.